Hi there, this is Christina, Circa for Ergolates certification and the Body Physics Studio. Today we're going to be doing the push lift that works your hamstrings, and depending on the movement can work either primarily your lower back, your QL, or your glutes. So we've set up our total gym GTS Classic at the level that we want for our clients. We have our tow bar accessory that we need to make sure we secure the total gym. Usually we adjust the tow bar about 2 inches above the client's knee height. So not our knee height, but of course the client's knee height. And there are 3 different variations we're going to demonstrate today. We're going to demonstrate 2 legs for beginners in the primary series. And of course we want to move up to 1 leg so that we work each side equally as much as possible. Now, 2 different methods of lifting up. If we lift up with a curved movement, whereby we're letting our glutes contract, so we're contracting our glutes, and we're not lifting up as high. We're using less of our QL, of our lower back muscles, we're using more our glutes, hamstrings, and a little bit of quads. As we push up, we come back, and we go down. So, up, push, come back, down. If we want to work primarily our spinal muscles, our QL, and less of our glutes, we're going to be lifting up into a bridge position. This is working a lot more our spinal muscles, less our glutes, so they're a little bit looser, more our spinal muscles, our hamstrings. We come back and we go down. So it depends on the objective that we're trying to reach. Now, so this can be executed with 2 legs. Our primary beginner series, for those who have problems with their lower back, herniated discs, there's a modification whereby we push and our glutes and our lower back stay glued to the platform. We lift up after, which works the erector spinae. We come back and then we go down. So here I'm pushing, it's easy, and I'm working the negative. I'm lifting up, come back, down. This can be done in a bridge position as well, but this works a lot more. Of course, your erector spinae, all the spinal muscles and lower back. You come back in a half bridge position and we go down. Now there are 2 different positions. Beginner position is usually where we're not using the weight of the knee, we're placing it on top of the other one. But there's a great glute stretch here. So if our client does not have gluteal flexibility, can't really have them do it in this position. So the second position is knee lifted. Now ironically, this position is harder because you're carrying more weight and your hip flexor has to work. But for people, in situations where their glutes and their hips are too tight and they can't put it one on top of the other, you can have it simply place the heel on the tibia of the opposite leg so that it's supporting the weight. So to demonstrate this, it's quite simple. So there's 2 different variations. So we lift up, we push, keeping the glutes tucked in, come back, down. If I want to work primarily my lower back, like I repeated earlier, you go up higher, push, you come back, down. Same principle for those that want to do the primary series, and you can even mix this up when it comes to rotations. So this has been a review of the hamstring tow bar push movements in the Ergolates Pilates repertoire. For more information, you can visit our website. Thank you.